And if you really want to understand taxes and understand the game, step one is to know what tax brackets are and how they affect you. I mentioned earlier when we looked at some of the planning is, take this all the way up to the top of the 12% tax bracket. Well, if you take your standard deduction plus the amount of the 12 up to the 12% tax bracket, depending on what you're in, whether you're single, married filing joint, married filing, whatever it is, know what it is for your classification, because that gives you the lowest possible tax threshold to either stay around or plan in. Or if you're up into the 22%, how do you make sure you don't get into something higher than that if you could get it lower? And here's why I say know where some of those things are, because if, let's say, you just bump into the 22% tax bracket, you have an opportunity and you itemized. Do you want to possibly maybe give a little bit more to charity this year? Let's say you planned on doing it, or you're part of a systematic giving. Maybe instead of giving it into January, you just put it into December to get everything below that certain bracket.